Hello from Her Haven. Let's take a look at the updates of our first-time grower of chickens and where are they at with their life now. We got them as newly hatched in May, and now this is about 3 weeks old. These are called jungle fowl chicken. They are now outgrown this little chicken coop here, so we will need to move them to the bigger chicken coop. They are quite wild, hard to catch, unlike the regular chicken. So here they are in the happy home, bigger chicken coop, more run for them to run around. They stay in the coop above here, and then in the daytime they come out and just run around in this run that we recently built for them. They are now over 8 weeks old and they are female. We hope to find a male for them. Thank you for stopping by today.